Guys, can you believe I saw this cucumber seed like 5 days ago? This was my last straight 8 cucumber seed. I sowed it and look how big it has gotten already. In this video, I am going to be making a trellis to ensure that I get the most out of this cucumber for the remaining time we have left in summer. So I'm going to be using this post that I think I got this post somewhere recently. Yeah, but it is a very sturdy post. I am going to be putting it somewhere over here. All right, I need to ensure that it's not gonna fall on anything, and I'm going to be putting it in this container right here. And I also have another piece of material that I'm going to be using, and this trellis is going to be a very economical one to grow a whole lot of cucumbers. You can grow sweet peas, any vine plant on this if you'd like. So I dug the hole all the way down to the bottom of the barrel, and now I'm gonna put this in and backfill it with the same soil that I took out of it. Alright, so now that is in, I'm going to be putting this over the top of the post and then bringing it down. I have to get this down in the ground as well, as deep as you possibly can. And then you're also going to be filling this with soil, of course. And this is to prevent the trellis from tipping over in the event of strong winds or anything like that. From toppling over, I should say. I should have probably buried it before I fill out this part right here. Should have buried it before I did this. I wasn't thinking, but I think this is good enough. All right, so now I'm going to get the other material that is to be used on this trellis, and this is going to be the game changer for this. These here are some pieces of chicken wire that I have used in the past. I was about to throw them out, but you know me, I like to save money, so I have to utilize all the resources that I have. All right, so now let's take these over to where I have my post, and I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to do with them. Hold on, let me get a few pieces, for a few more pieces, because I want to ensure that I'm getting the most out of, oops, what am I using? I think I need to come and harvest some of these sweet potato leaves. All right, so this looks like it's more than enough. I only hope so. Now let's start working with the chicken wire. They can just nice flow down like right here. So the reason why I have the chicken wire on the post is because the cucumbers, they have these little what do you call them, tendrils that loves to grab onto things. And sometimes, well, not sometimes, if you use the post by itself, they will not have anything to grab onto, and you will have to tie up the cucumbers. In this case, you don't have to tie up the cucumbers, because every time those little tendrils comes out on the plant, you just run them through a little part of the chicken wire, and they will just continue to grab on until they reach the top, and your cucumber plant is going to be safe and secure on your new economical DIY planter. No, vertical trellis. I almost forgot what I was making. Now when I'm going to transplant the cucumber, I can either transplant it in the barrel or in the section right here. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm going to be putting it yet, and I'm not ready to transplant it as yet. I have to ensure that the sun will not be coming back out for the day before I'll go ahead and transplant my cucumber. So there you have it, my DIY vertical trellis made from a piece of post and some chicken wire. That is it, my peeps. Go ahead and comment down below, let me know what you think of it. If this is your first time here, I am the Glades Garden Girl, your creative cultivator over here in Zone 10A, Florida. So right now, as we view our newest and most economical vertical trellis for cucumbers, peas, whatever vining plants you want to grow here, I would like to say a very big thank you to all of my returning subscribers, and for the newest subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome on board. I really and truly appreciate you all. Now remember, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this trellis, if it is something that you would use in your garden. What type of trellis have you ever used in your garden to grow cucumbers, watermelons, peas, any vining plant at all? Let us know. Share your thoughts with us today. All right, so I guess I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.